In question number 24, they want us to multiply and divide two numbers that are given in polar form. To multiply two complex numbers that are in polar form, all you need to do is multiply the moduli together. So 6 times 9 is going to give us 54. And then you're going to have the cosine and sine part, where the angle on the inside is going to be the sum of the angles presented in each of your two complex numbers. So if we do 70 plus 220, that gives us 290 degrees. So it's going to be 54 times the cosine of 290 plus I sine of 290. And we don't have to do anything else with this because they do ask us to leave our answer in polar form. And that would be that complex number represented in polar form. When you divide two complex numbers in polar form, you divide the moduli and you subtract the angles. If we do z1 divided by z2, then the modulus of the product, the quotient, is going to be 6 divided by 9 times the cosine of 70 minus 220 would give us a negative 150. So we're going to have the cosine of negative 150 degrees and the sine of negative 150 degrees. Now for this problem, they do ask us to leave all angles between 0 and 360. So we need to find a positive coterminal angle to negative 150 degrees. We can do this by adding 360, and that would be 210. So our final answer for z1 divided by z2 should be 2/3, reduce the fraction, times the cosine of 210 degrees plus I sine of 210 degrees.